In this video we will show you how to perform quality check for Undet project and check if data files were joined correctly. First of all, we recommend to group your data files by levels and apply coloring to different groups. As you can see, we already did that. If you want to learn how to group data files, watch video Undet for AutoCAD data files grouping and coloring in our channel. Link to this video is in video description. The idea of quality check is to check if Undet project walls, floors and ceilings are captured in the same place from different building levels. This will indicate if files were joined correctly and project is good to use for modeling. So first we will check floors and ceilings. To do it, simply create section throughout building. We recommend to make section which will be couple centimeters of thickness so that you will be able to see more overlapping points. While working with sections, always try to load all possible points and work with green indicator. As we can see, in most cases distance between different color points is less than ½ centimeter, so it is more than enough for us, because this project tolerance is 2 centimeters. Since our building is in triangle shape and this section only applies for one part of the building, we should check other sides as well. Once this is done, and we are sure that floors and ceilings are joining correctly, we can make section of our building plan view and check walls. Once again, it seems like the difference is close to none, and we can confirm that data files were joined correctly and Undet project is good to use for further modeling. If you have any questions about data files quality check or any other Undet for AutoCAD functionality, send us email to info@undet.com. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos. For more info, subscribe our channel or visit our website at www.undet.com.